Hello everyone. Egusi soup, a soup you can hardly resist. This is method 2 out of the 6 methods of egusi soup recipes. I'll be showing you how to prepare. Watch till the end. This egusi soup method is the soaking method. This is the reason why I'm soaking my egusi first. The soaking is going to give you that little lumps that you see, and it's going to make your egusi have a very wonderful texture. Had to boil the stockfish first because I'm using goat meat. Goat meat is soft, so if I boil it together with the stockfish, the goat meat is going to get too soft. So after boiling for about 10 minutes, I added the goat meat, then onions, seasoning cubes. Always try to break the seasoning cubes because if you drop it in as a cube, it might not dissolve completely. Then I added the dry fish and the cow skin, and I covered and allowed to cook for another 10 minutes. You can check out the first recipe of egusi soup I prepared, the tomato frying method. Don't forget to drop a comment if you try out the two recipes, then you tell me which you prefer. But believe me, both recipes have its own unique taste and flavor. Add the dry pepper, crayfish, red oil, allow to boil for another 2 minutes. Then add the egusi into the soup. Use a spoon to put it in little by little so it can easily melt into the soup. After you've done this, then you cover, allow to cook for another 3 minutes, then you check. Cook on medium heat to avoid the egusi from burning. After the egusi has cooked for a while, you now turn. Don't wait till all the egusi melt into the soup, because if you wait, the egusi will likely burn. So you turn it, then you add the Uziza leaves. This Uziza leaves is going to give it a very distinct flavor and aroma, unique taste. Yes, when you put it first, you allow it to cook to release its wonderful flavor into the soup before you now add the ugu leaves, that's the pumpkin leaves. If you like egusi soup that has lumps, this recipe is for you. But if you like egusi soup that is a bit pasty, then the tomato frying method is for you. So check out the two recipes. Tell me which you would like to prepare and which you would like to try out. But all of them, they are so delicious, wonderful, different textures. They have different feel in the mouth. Don't forget to like and share this video. This is number 2 recipe out of 6 methods of egusi soup. I'll show you how to prepare. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to drop a comment. Thanks for watching.